Why should I choose this Bonus Shell Type Wheelbolt Kit? The Bonus Forge Grade 12.9 Shell Type Wheelbolt Kit adopts a two-pieces design. The shell part with better materials and different colors to bring a more satisfactory overall appearance. Using alloy steel SCM 440 wheel bolts, reaching the ISO standard grade 12.9. Installing Bonus Forge Grade 12.9 Shell Bolt Kit is a way of expressing owner's personality. While obtaining a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. Each set of Bonus Grade 12.9 Shell Type Wheel Bolt Kit has 4 pieces locking wheel bolts and a lock key. Compared with ordinary locking wheel bolts, Bonus uses a special spline lock design, matching the lock key to ensure uniqueness of the product. By installing this wheel bolt kit, can protect your value wheels from theft and have higher security. Different color shells bring your wheel rims with different styles. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.